anonymization is a fuzzy term. We think of anonymization as being absolute. The problem for researchers is if it is absolutely anonymous, it's worthless. So if you look at the US, you have on the one side the US safe harbor, which we have experience with. The safe harbor data is worthless. You cannot even get incidents from this, because you cannot get longitudinality. You give a patient 2 drugs and you don't know if the next day they had to go to hospital. For research purposes, worthless. On the other side, I will stay with the US limited data sets, which are lightly pseudonymized. So it's stripped of the obvious identifiers such as name. The birth date is perhaps slightly fuzzied up. The address is removed. Telephone numbers are removed. High value. You see all the longitudinality. There is no anonymization for research purposes, which is what Mark said. We need a sharing mechanism or a combining mechanism that is secure, where someone takes responsibility for keeping the data as secure as possible. Now, you don't put clear names into it. We will more and more have to ask patients for their consent to use that data and let them know that there is a slight residual risk.